Step into the 2014 Ram 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. The following features are included: a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, a trailer hitch, a bed liner, and more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Come on in and take a test drive.